guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of June's Boxy Luxe. So if you guys don't know what Boxy Luxe is or a Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription box, and they send you 4 to 5 full-sized items, and that is every month. You do pay $21 a month for that. But every 3 months, so every June, September, December, and March, we get an upgrade, and that is to Boxy Luxe. Boxy Luxe, you get, I think, 6 to 9 full-size items, and you do have to pay about $25 more. They do charge you separately for Boxy Luxe for that month. I have a Boxy Luxe right here, and it is a bigger, thicker box, and I'm so excited to open this up. I did look at the sneak peeks and everything like that, and I'm like obsessed with it. I'm so excited. So before we jump into this video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell too while you're at it, so you can get notified of all of my future uploads. And also give this video a thumbs up if you do like Boxy Charm or Boxy Luxe. Let me know in the comments down below, do you have Boxy Luxe? Do you have Boxy Charm? Let me know what you got this month. I'm so interested. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up, and here are the items. So first things first, this is a little sheet that it comes with, and it just kind of gives you a breakdown of everything that is in this box. So we have 9 items in here. The theme for this month's box is getaway, and I think that's just so cute because it's summertime and everybody's basically always traveling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm also going to try out some of the products that I can. I don't think I could do a full face, but I do have all of my other items that I can just put on my face for a full face, you know? So first things first that I'm going to open up, this is the PYT Mini Turbo on the go dryer. I think this is so cute because my dog's name is Turbo, so it's just like, it's adorable. So first it comes with little attachments. So you have this attachment right here, and then you have this attachment right here, and then you have this cute little blow dryer. I think that this is adorable. I really like this idea because when you're traveling, this is just the perfect on-the-go blow dryer, and I think that is just so cute. So this retails for $85. So basically, this already pays for your box. So this is by PYT. The Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer is powerful, portable, and lightweight and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're ramping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. This is just so cute. I really love this. My hair is dry, so I don't really need to use this, but I'm really excited to use this in the future. This is just perfect for on-the-go traveling. I love this, and I really like how it comes with a little bag. It really makes traveling so much easier. And then also the two attachments. I just think that is so cute. The next thing that we have right now, this is the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence Primer. This retails for $23. This is let your makeup stay a while with the new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence infused with official flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores while keeping your skin silky smooth. So we did receive another one of these. I think it was a No Problem primer. This is a prime essence, so it's definitely different, but we did receive another one of these in I think it was like 2 months ago. Don't really know how I feel about this. I mean, I'm super oily, so it really didn't help my oils, but I do have to say it really did help my pores. My pores looked amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my face. This is what the applicator looks like. So it looks a little different. This retails for $23. I don't know if I said that before, but I'm just going to. Oh my god, it literally is like water. I don't know if you guys could see. It's literally like coming right off. That feels so weird. Okay, it literally just feels like silicone-y water. I'm just rubbing that all over. That feels really strange. Ooh, my earring. These earrings always come off. Okay, this feels really like strange. It feels like really watery. There is a slight fragrance, but it's really hard to pick that up. But let me see how my pores are looking. I mean, my pores look the same. Maybe with foundation I'll be able to tell a little more, but I have to say upon first inspection, the other primer definitely made my skin look a lot better, like instantly, but I'm not really hating that. Let me put on my foundation so I can really test this out. So for our foundation, I'm just going in with my handy dandy. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is in the shade 460. And you guys know this is literally like my holy grail. Today I'm really not doing much. It is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there and to all of the moms taking place of any father that is not there. I really love this foundation, and the sponge that I'm using, it is actually not my June Co sponge, surprise. It is my Isadora sponge, and I did a video featuring Isadora yesterday. It should be up after this video actually, because I have to put this video up first, but it's amazing, guys. You can get Isadora at Walgreens, and it is only online for right now, but I really love this. My pores look a little filled in. Fill-in wise, I kind of like the other primer a little bit better, just because I feel like it really made my pores look a lot smaller. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal because I don't have any concealer. I'm just going in with a color corrector at first. Okay, so because I know what the next item is, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some powder for my face. I know my under eyes are looking so bright, but don't worry, we are going to adjust everything and it's all going to come out really well. So I'm just going to powder a palette I actually got. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette. This is the volume 3. So this retails for $45. And your everyday staple, this 6-shade Tarteist Pro Go Cheek Palette Volume 3 is formulated with Amazonian clay. Delivers streak-free, fade-free, flawless wear. Tap into blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for sculpted, dimensional look. So I do have, I think it's just the bronzer and the highlighted one, but I'm really excited that this has the blush in it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go into the 2 bronzer shades right here, Backstage and Autograph, and I'm just lightly dipping into that. Just gonna bronze up my skin. It is pretty pigmented. It looks good. I already do love the other bronzing palette. If you guys don't know, I do love palettes like this because I feel like they're so good for traveling and everything. I'm literally like in the morning, I just love taking a palette like this and then just grabbing and like kind of going for my makeup, just because in the morning I'm a little lazy, and this really does help me get everything done in like one quick step. This bronzer, I really like this bronzer. It gives a nice warm touch to the skin. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the blush. I'm just gonna mix the 2 blushes that I have too. This is Premium and Dance Floor right here. So I'm just going to tap on. I do love their blushes. They're so pigmented. They stay on like all day. And that is like such a pretty color. And literally all I did was like tap into it, guys, and I do tap off the excess, and it literally gives me such a nice flush. I feel like my skin just looks so much better now. It looks, I love bronzer blush, love it. So for a highlight, again, I'm just gonna dip into both of them, A-lister and headliner. And ooh, that looks pretty, so pretty. I do have to say the whole palette, as you can see, is a little bit powdery, but I don't mind that. I feel like this just looks really good on my skin. I look awake, I look dimensional. I really like this. This is definitely going to be a staple like traveling type of palette, just because it really does have everything that you need. So the next things that I have a Bionic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic, and this is by Dr. Brandt. So this retails for $35. Powered by Bionic Balancing Complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleanser yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. So I feel like this is a really good makeup remover. Like, I really like this idea as a makeup remover. I am wearing makeup right now, so I can't use this, but I am going to try to use this hopefully tonight and for the next few days and kind of just give you my overall final impression. The next thing that I have, this is a Pharmacy Honey Moon Glow. This is a night serum. I'm actually really interested in night serums lately. So this retails for $58. This Pharmacy Honey Moon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA, BHA, gentle flower acid blends, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. So I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to be using this at nighttime, and I feel like my mom might actually use that too. I feel like she'd really like that. The next thing that I'm going to open up, this is a Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I actually just got a Living Proof. It is a shampoo, and it kind of just clarifies your skin. So I did get that, and I'm really excited to use that, but I'm really excited to use this too. So this retails for $29. Make some room on your vanity for new Living Proof Dry Full Volume Blast. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture. There's almost a light as far as for big, lasting results on your hair. It offers UV protection. Ooh, it is silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Let me do that right now. My skin, I feel like my hair is looking a little, I don't want to say dull, but like kind of. I've had it up all morning, and if you guys don't know, I usually just rock my hair up. So let me see. My hair usually doesn't have that much volume. I mean, today it kind of does. But oh my god, my hair is looking like a mane. Today it like kind of does, but I want to see. Let me see. Ooh, that smells really good. Oh my god, yeah. Look at that side compared to that side. Ooh. That looks awesome though. That looks really good. Alright, I like that actually. I'm going to put a little bit more back here because I love having extra volume back here. This looks really good. I really like this. I like that a lot actually. I really like this, and I like the smell of it, and I like the instant kind of volume. It looks really, really good. So I'm really happy that I got that. And then I have 3 more items, but what I'm actually going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do my brows and my eyeshadow off of camera so that I can use the rest of the products when I get back. So I will be back in 1 second, guys. So the next thing that we have going on, this is the Trestique Good Vibe Mascara. This retails for $25. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with the new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. All-in-one lash curler plus lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to keep your lashes to the next level. It's one of a kind. Ooh, that is interesting. How do I open that? Okay, so I twist it. Oh, okay, but how do I take that off? That is so cool, guys. Okay, how do I use that? Flip down. Look at how cool that is. It is literally a, oh my god, that is so awesome. Okay, how do I work that though? I'm a little nervous. Okay. Ow, ow. Okay, let me see. That's really, this is like really small. This is really small, so you have to go in like sections, which is kind of annoying, but it does give your lashes like that nice instant curl. I just wish it was a little bit bigger so you didn't have to go like section by section, because right now I'm kind of doing front, middle, end. It is actually a really, really good idea, and I wish that more brands did that. Let's see how this performs. Oh my god, I actually really like this. My lashes look so much longer. They look like natural, but they look super long. Like, look at that difference. That looks amazing, actually. Oh my god, 2 coats, my lashes look amazing. My lashes look so so good. Oh my god. That mascara actually looks so good. Like 2 coats of that and I feel like my lashes look amazing. They look so long. They look really good. Literally, that mascara is so good. I really like that mascara. It looked amazing. So the next thing that I have, this is a Dominique Cosmetics. I actually have 2 of her glosses, so I'm gonna see if I have this one already. If I do, then I'm just gonna go ahead and gift this to somebody. But this retails for $17. This is a lemonade lip gloss. It adds hydration, shine, and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm like lemonade-like gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting, flexible, so you can wear it alone or layer on top of your favorite lipstick. I actually really like her lipsticks. This is in the shade Peach Tea. I think I have this one. Is that this one? So I have Peach Tea already, so I'm not going to open up this one. I'm just going to gift it to somebody, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on my lips. And I really do like this lipstick or lip gloss. It is very lightweight. It adds like a little like hint of pink to your lips. I love layering it. I love the wand on this because it is super flexible. It's not sticky. This is just a really good gloss. I really do like this gloss. So I'm really happy that we got that in the box too. So then the last thing that I got, this retails for $35. This is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. So this is a hydrating mist formula to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legends of John's Water, a magical dew produced using flowers, herbs during the summer solstice. Enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and rose, this refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion with balancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So I'm excited to use this. The only thing that kind of worries me is that it says hydrating. I'm not really a hydrating type of person. So, okay, it has a nice mist. Let me go ahead. Ooh, okay. That has a very pepperminty smell. I do like the mist. It felt very refreshing. I feel like during the summer months that would feel really nice. My skin doesn't look over hydrated right now. I do have to say, actually, after letting that primer kind of sit on my skin with the foundation, my pores actually look a lot smaller. So I do like that. Basically, so far, I really like everything that we got in the box. I mean, I was not able to try these 2 items or the hair dryer, but I really do like everything that I got. I feel like this is a great look. Very natural, and I feel like this is kind of what I do when I do go on vacation. I kind of wear that nice natural like kind of makeup. So I really like this. I'm really in love with that mascara. I feel like that is probably my favorite thing out of the box. My lashes look so darn good, and I really like how it does have that little curling aspect to it too. I feel like that just looks so cool. I really like this. I feel like it looks amazing. Yeah, but I really like this month's box. Let me know what you guys think of this month's box. I know that the look I created was super simple, but kind of just wanted a simple kind of look today. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you'll be part of the ATFB fam, ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. And hit that post notification bell too while you're at it so you get notified of all of my future uploads. And give this video a thumbs up if you do like Boxy Charm, if you like this video, if you do like Boxy Luxe. Leave me a comment down below. What items did you get in this month's box? Every month there are about, I want to say 3 different versions of the box that you can get. So let me know what you guys got. I'm so interested. But I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I hope that you guys loved this box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!